In stage 16 we're going to be assembling the corridor arches. So we're going to start off by assembling the 3 arches and the pads that you received with issue 15 and parts 9. Okay, now they're all going to be lined with the cushion pads, as you can see here, and there's quite a lot to do. So get stuck in and we'll come back as soon as we've fitted these to the inner arches, and we're going to then assemble the corridor. Okay, so now we have all 3 corridor archways with all the pads on. Okay, so once we've done that, put those aside, and next we're going to be fitting the corridor floor to the bottom of the lower corridor section. Okay, so take your corridor floor and place it on the lower corridor section, and then if you turn it over, you'll notice that you've got 6 holes here that we need to put in some of the self-tapping screws. So go ahead and do that, and we'll come back and fit the 3 corridor rings. Okay, so now we're ready to fit the corridor hoops, and you'll notice if you put all 3 of them together, you've got 3 protrusion pins on the top like so. Make sure they're lined up, so when you're sitting it on the base like so, they're all lined up. If by any chance they're like that, then that's wrong. So we have to make sure that they're all in that position, and you'll notice that they'll actually move. They're actually leaning towards the right of the corridor. So lay them down, take the first one and place that into position so that the pin is actually facing towards the inside of the corridor. Once again, do exactly the same with the secondary one and the third. Once you're happy with that, you can glue those into position. Now, to finish off this part of the stage, we're just going to be fitting the supplied piece of lower framework. So once again, getting the framework into position and then screwing down using the small black screws, screwing that down like so, and then just nipping those up. Once again, if you wish, you can try your panelling and you can then see how it's all coming together. And if we turn it over, you can even notice there's the slight curvature as the lower framework starts to take shape.